Have you noticed it? The feeling that the internet has become quiet, or maybe too loud, but with no one actually home. You post a comment and 5 replies appear instantly. They're polite, they're enthusiastic. They say things like, "Great insight. I totally agree with the symbiotic nature of this paradigm." But they don't feel human. For years, the dead internet theory was a conspiracy. It claimed that the majority of the internet was bots talking to bots to fake engagement. Well, in 2025, that's not a theory anymore. It's a statistical reality. Reports now show over 50% of web traffic is non-human. We are drowning in what experts call AI slop. But here is the part nobody is telling you. This isn't an accident. It's the exhaust pipe of the next massive shift in technology. The internet died because we stopped building tools for humans to read and started building tools for AI to act. If you're worried about your job, your career, or your future, you need to understand the difference between the chatbot era we just left and the agentic era we are entering in 2026. Because one of them replaces you, the other superpowers you. Let's talk about agentic AI and what happens to you when the bots take over the browser. For the last 2 years, we've been obsessed with chatbots. You type a prompt, it gives you text. It's a call and response. It's a tool. But think about the limitation here. You have to be there. You have to prompt it. You are the bottleneck. Enter Agentic AI. This is the buzzword that will dominate 2026. So let's define it simply. A chatbot is a consultant. It gives you advice. An agent is an employee. It gets work done. See the difference? The chatbot outputs text. The agent outputs action. We are seeing the rise of multi-agent systems. Imagine a swarm of specialized AIs. One agent is a coder. One is a researcher. One is a critic. You give them a goal. Build me a landing page for my coffee shop. Agent A writes the code. Agent B critiques the design. Agent C writes the copy. Agent D deploys it to the server. They talk to each other. They don't need you for every step. They only need you to set the goal and approve the result. This is why the internet feels dead. These agents are beginning to crawl the web, reading content, buying products, and interacting with APIs. The human web is shrinking because the agent web is exploding. So let's pivot to the question you actually clicked for. What happens to me? If AI can do the research, write the code, and even criticize its own work, where do you fit in? This brings us to a concept I call the Uncanny Valley of Work. Right now, we are in a transition. Employers are realizing that hiring a junior employee to write basic emails or do basic data entry is obsolete. Agents don't sleep, they don't complain, and they cost pennies. In 2026, the middleman economy dies. If your job is just moving information from a spreadsheet to an email, an agent will do that. If your job is just summarizing meetings, an agent will do that. If your job is content creation, that is just regurgitating Wikipedia, an agent is already doing that. And that's why the internet is full of junk. This sounds terrifying. But there is a flip side, a massive opportunity that 99% of people are ignoring because they are too busy being scared. When the internet died and became flooded with AI content, the value of human verification and human strategy skyrocketed. In the agentic era, you are no longer the worker, you are the manager, you are the pilot. Here is the career pivot you need to make right now. 1. Move from creation to curation. Don't just learn how to write code or write copy. Learn how to evaluate it. An agent can generate 100 variations of a marketing campaign in a minute. Your value is having the taste and strategic insight to pick the one that actually connects with human psychology. 2. Learn agentic workflows. The most valuable skill in 2026 won't be prompt engineering. It will be workflow orchestration. Can you chain 3 agents together to solve a complex problem? Can you build a system where a research agent feeds a writing agent, which feeds a compliance agent? The person who builds the machine is worth 10x the person turning the crank. 3. Be the human signal. In a dead internet full of bots, proof of humanity is a premium asset. Real-world connections, video like this, live events, and high-trust personal brands become the only things people trust. If you are hiding behind text, you are competing with billions of bots. If you are out here showing your face and your unique perspective, you have no competition. The dead internet isn't the end of the internet. It's just a molting phase. The old web, the one of SEO spam and generic articles, is being eaten by AI. What's left? A new layer, a high-level layer where humans use agents to build things we couldn't dream of building alone. Imagine being a one-person business with a staff of 50 AI agents working 24/7. That is the promise of 2026. So stop worrying about the dead internet. Let the bots have the comment section. Let the bots have the spam emails. You need to focus on the cockpit. Learn to fly the agents, or you'll be the one getting automated by them. If you want to see exactly how to build these agentic workflows, I'm doing a deep dive tutorial in the next video where we build a research agent from scratch. You don't want to miss that. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, not because the algorithm wants you to, but because you need to stay ahead of the algorithm. See you in the future.